The 2026 BMW M9 arrives as one of the most anticipated supercars of the decade, a machine that blends Bavarian engineering, futuristic technology, and pure motorsport DNA into a single breathtaking package. For years, enthusiasts speculated whether BMW would ever create a flagship supercar that could rival the Italian legends and American hyper-performance newcomers. Now, the M9 sets the record straight. This car is not only BMW's boldest statement in performance engineering but also a showcase of what the future of high-speed luxury looks like. With its sculpted body, aggressive stance, and race-ready heart, the 2026 BMW M9 is built to redefine expectations and push the boundaries of what an M car can be. From the first glance, the M9's design captures attention with an intensity usually reserved for concept cars. BMW has infused the supercar with a blend of aerodynamic sophistication and muscular presence. Its low-slung profile hugs the ground, and the sweeping body lines give the impression of perpetual motion. The front fascia is dominated by a reimagined kidney grille that is sleeker, sharper, and more integrated into the car's airflow management system. Slim laser-LED headlights frame the face with the predatory look, while massive air intakes channel cool air directly to the engine and brakes. This design is not just for show, it maximizes downforce, reduces drag, and ensures that the M9 performs at its peak regardless of speed. Moving to the side, the M9's silhouette showcases bold sculpting, deep aerodynamic channels, and a teardrop cabin shape that enhances airflow efficiency. The long carbon fiber roofline flows seamlessly into the integrated rear spoiler, hinting at the exotic engineering beneath. Lightweight forged wheels wrapped in ultra-high-performance tires fill the pronounced wheel arches. Every detail works in harmony to support stability at high speeds. The proportions are unmistakable. This is a mid-engine supercar designed to dominate the road and the track. At the rear, the 2026 BMW M9 delivers one of the most aggressive finishes ever seen on a BMW. Quad exhaust tips sit within a massive carbon diffuser, providing both visual drama and mechanical purpose. The full-width OLED taillight strip glows with a distinctive signature that makes the M9 instantly recognizable even in the dark. Active aerodynamic elements adjust in real time based on speed, driving mode, and road conditions, ensuring that the vehicle maintains optimal grip and balance, whether parked or in motion. The rear end communicates performance, precision, and power. Underneath its stunning exterior, the M9 is powered by a revolutionary drivetrain that combines BMW's celebrated inline-6 or V8 engineering with modern electrification. The 2026 model uses a high-output twin-turbo V8 paired with a performance hybrid system. Together, they deliver over 850 horsepower, making this the most powerful BMW production model ever produced. The electric motor fills the work gaps, enhances responsiveness, and gives the M9 near-instant acceleration. The result is a 0–100 km/h time estimated at under 2.7 seconds, placing the M9 squarely in hypercar territory. BMW engineers tuned the hybrid system not only for speed but also for precise control, allowing the driver to harness immense power with confidence. The driving experience of the M9 is nothing short of exhilarating. BMW's M division has equipped the car with an advanced all-wheel drive system featuring active-to-work vectoring, giving the M9 unmatched agility in corners. The suspension system uses adaptive damping and predictive road scanning to continuously adjust to surface changes, ensuring both comfort and razor-sharp handling. Carbon ceramic brakes come standard, providing consistent stopping power even under extreme conditions. The steering is crisp, direct, and deeply communicative, offering drivers an intimate connection to the road. Every input, from throttle pressure to steering movement, translates into immediate and precise action. The M9 feels like a racing machine tailored for everyday roads. Inside the cabin, the 2026 BMW M9 delivers an environment that is both luxurious and performance-oriented. The interior blends top-tier materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leather, all meticulously stitched and sculpted to perfection. The cockpit is driver-centric, with every control placed for ergonomic and intuitive access. A wide curved display dominates the dashboard, offering real-time vehicle data, navigation, and customizable driving modes. BMW's next-generation iDrive system provides seamless interaction, combining voice commands, touch control, and gesture recognition. The seats are lightweight but extremely supportive, designed to hold the driver securely during high-speed maneuvers without sacrificing comfort during long drives. In addition to its luxury and performance, the M9 integrates cutting-edge technology that enhances safety and convenience. The car features an advanced suite of driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, autonomous lane management, collision prevention, and night vision monitoring. While the M9 is built for drivers who crave hands-on engagement, BMW still ensures that every drive is supported by intelligent systems capable of reacting to hazards faster than any human. A unique track mode disables most driver aids, opens up the exhaust acoustics, and unleashes the full potential of the powertrain, giving enthusiasts a true motorsport experience. The 2026 BMW M9 is also designed with sustainability in mind. Its hybrid system reduces emissions while maintaining extreme performance. BMW uses lightweight recycled materials throughout the chassis and interior, demonstrating the brand's commitment to eco-friendly engineering. Even the battery system is optimized for recycling, ensuring that the environmental impact of the M9 remains lower than traditional supercars without sacrificing thrill or capability. Beyond the numbers and features, the essence of the M9 lies in emotion, the way it makes the driver feel. When the engine roars to life, it delivers a symphony of mechanical and electric harmonies. The power delivery is linear but forceful, pushing the driver back into the seat with incredible intensity. The M9 invites you to explore its limits, rewarding skilled driving with a sense of mastery that only a few exotic cars can offer. Whether carving through mountain passes, accelerating down a straightaway, or cruising through the city, the M9 transforms every moment behind the wheel into a special experience. What truly sets the 2026 M9 apart is its identity. This car is not just a technological flagship, it is a declaration of BMW's vision for the future of performance. It brings together traditional BMW craftsmanship, M-Division racing expertise, and modern electrification in a single package that feels both timeless and forward-looking. The M9 symbolizes the evolution of the supercar in an era where efficiency, sustainability, and innovation matter as much as speed and power. For collectors, enthusiasts, and fans of the BMW brand, the arrival of the M9 marks the beginning of a new legacy. It stands as a rival to the world's greatest supercars while maintaining a uniquely BMW character. With its breathtaking design, blistering performance, and world-class technology, the 2026 BMW M9 proves that the future of driving excitement is brighter than ever. This is more than a supercar, it is a masterpiece crafted for those who demand excellence in every aspect of their automotive experience.